This is your editor window. Okay, basically. Okay. Did you get this point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is your
Yes, sir.
log window. Whatever you will write the code, what what is the backend process, it will appear here. And what you are getting, if you are directly printing the steps, then you will get this print, this result window. And also, if you're generating any output, okay, then here it will appear as output window. Again, here fourth part will be there. Okay. After this, these are the servers. In your when you go to a company, that time also you will find this thing. Okay. Here in the server, whatever the US server is there or Indian server is there, it will appear here. This is if you have to write a we have to write a new page, new editor window, then you can click over here. Here you will find the SAS program, import data. You should click on the SAS program. Okay. If you want to import the data, again the queries are there, XMLs and folder shortcuts. Okay. For importing the data, you can click here also, or else you can select a folder. Here you can, okay, I will show you one. Here you can select the folder and do here upload option is there. Okay. If you want to refresh this SAS session, you can click over here. Sometimes what happens, suppose the data is so huge. Okay. For data is so huge, then you should do this reset session. Okay. Then you will get this dialog box. If you want to continue, then you should write and click on yes. This message will appear over here.
Okay.
If you are getting any errors, any and which are not valid, then you can do this reset session. Here this all everything will be reset. Reset means what? Your everything, just like a mobile, everything is getting formatted. Just same thing will happen.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Here the clear message means this all whatever the errors were there, error warnings were there, it will just clear all those things. Okay. After, you can see on your screen also, you can see a man running. Can you see the small icon over here?
Yes, sir.
It is the,
Yes, sir.
if you write a simple code, you should click this one, so all codes will get executed. This is the save icon. Okay, it is for save as. Basically, we use this one, save and save as also. Okay, here it is for formatting codes. Formatting means if you are writing in a, if you are not writing in a proper way, and if you click only this one, then it will get a systematic approach for it. Okay, this is for minimizing, maximizing the thing. Now here, coming to this point. Okay, so if you have to write a simple code, okay, basically look, all this editor window, do you get everything idea about this editor window, log window, and how we can add this data?
Yes, sir. We need to write code on this code window,
Yeah.
and log window will show the what show
Log
all the
window will
codes and
show
result
whatever
window.
the backend process was executed, it will show in this log window. Okay.
Okay.
Coming to this part. Okay, tasks and utilities, for this it is not important. We need this library part is important for us. Okay, in libraries, whatever we write over here, okay, the basically the default libraries are this SAS help. SAS help is a default library. Whatever I have created this Ajay, Amruta, this I have created for my practice session. And from maps to everything, it is an default library. Work library means what? Whatever we write over here, whatever we write the code, and output of that code, it will go into this default work library. Here you can see there is nothing over here. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And in this SAS help you. Okay. In SAS help, you can see all those data sets are there. Okay. And for this SAS data set, there is a format SAS 7B80. Okay. This is your first lecture, so I'm just explaining what are the things, how we can write the code. Okay. If you are getting any
Okay.
doubts, then please let me know. And suppose your suppose by circumstance some power cut has happened or anything is happened, okay, then it will, if you do, if you attach in the network within 2 seconds, 3 seconds, nothing will happen. Okay, but you did not attach any network and any power off is happened, then whatever the code part you have written, it will vanish.
Okay.
So for writing every code, you should do the save of that libraries. Okay, so data, this is an statement. Okay, data, Prathamesh, Prathamesh is there. Okay, Prathamesh. Car set says help dot cars. Okay. Now why it is appearing over here? Yes, because cars is there. Okay. Because whatever now this is an SAS library. In SAS library, this cars is a data set, and whatever we will write, we will execute, it will come over here. Control A, and this just run. In log window, what did you get? You will get whatever the, how many observations are there, how many variables are there, this process time. In this important part is only these two lines. Okay.
Okay.
And while writing the code, no errors should be there. Errors means what? No. Suppose you did not give this semicolon and just you ran the code. Okay. Here errors are being executed. Okay. Means this red color line should not come over here. For completing every SAS statement, means SAS statement or SAS line, so we should write, give an semicolon over there. Okay. So data is this is called as data step, and set is a statement. Okay.
Okay.
Here also you can make a point that name of the data set can be, has length of 32 characters. Okay, till 32 character you can give. It cannot start with number. Okay, here you can give means it will start with underscore abc, it is valid one. It, this is not valid. Okay, again coming question mark xyz, it is also not valid. You will directly given this word, this is valid. abc underscore 2, this is valid one. Means you cannot start your data set name with numbers and any symbol. Okay, with any symbol, any mark, you cannot start this data set's name. You can start with your underscore and a letter. It might be uppercase and lowercase also. Means suppose you have written ABC, it is in lowercase totally. Lowercase means small letters. Okay, and if you are
Okay.
starting A, B, C, it is also valid. For this data
Okay.
set name, there is nothing about the case sensitive. Case sensitive means what? Uh, you can say for this case sensitive means here if it is capital A and it will not fetch, it doesn't mean that. But when it is in this one, this symbol, and here you are writing ABC, then here it should be case sensitive. If you are giving any apostrophe symbol and then writing the code, then it is a case sensitive. While if this apostrophes are not been present, okay, correct me, okay, if anything I'm not, because these symbols are been there, I'm writing all those codes. If I think it is called as apostrophes only, okay. And hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're right.
Okay. Also, so here you are writing the one, then it will go into the character thing. Whenever the character things are there, here it should go as in quotation. Whenever it is a numeric, you can go for simple one. Okay. Did you get this one? Both?
Sir, what did you tell about the character and numeric? I didn't understand.
No. Now coming to this, okay, I will give this one answer. Here the where statement is there, okay. Where statement. Where now in results, okay, just a minute. First I will run this one. I will show you. Okay, model equal to MDX. Okay, ठीक है. Okay. Hmm. Look. Here we have seen here the variable is model. These are the variable names and these are the observations. Okay. So means whatever the present in row wise, the first one, it is an variable name. But whatever it is present inside, in this inside the make, there is aura, Audi, whatever the means type of that car. Whatever the model was there, this type is there, origin, where it was origin. Okay, these all things are been present. Means it is nothing but the observation part. Okay, coming to here. Okay, here MDX model. Okay, where model equals to, if we give this, if we write MDX, then it will filter only the model for MDX. Okay, but I will show you why it happened. Something is missing. It is not matching the criteria. Hence, it was coming as zero observations. Okay, we will check again why it happened. MDX. Same MODEL. Just a minute. What MODEL? Index. Sometimes there is any space or anything is there, then also we can just now what we had faced, this thing we can face over there. Again we are getting this one. Okay, just a minute. Okay, on this one, make equals to, okay. What is happening over here? It is filtering the conditions directly. What's happening? Okay. Okay. Now what we did, we filtered from make variable, we filtered only for means aura, this one for make thing. It directly get the filter, and if we do only changes over here, look, you can see this one. Okay. it will come as, again it will come as zero observations.
Okay.
Look, in log window, what is it is showing? There were zero observations from sashelp.com where make. Why it took this one? Because here it is a case sensitive. Okay. Did you get this point? Case sensitive means what? Hello?
Yes, sir. It should match
Yes, yes.
the cap, the
It
data
should
that we have.
map, it should match exactly what the variable name is or what the observation is. Okay. In when whenever it is in character. Okay. Suppose there is an for any other thing. Okay. Suppose again here we need to add some other thing also. Okay. And again coming to over here. No. Just a minute. Okay. Drive train equal to hurry. Okay. Look. Here it is taking a condition. Where now why it is not? Okay, look. Here it is in log, it is directly showing where make equal to aura and condition. This drive train equal to red. Means what? They are asking, they are seeing this thing. Whatever the variable name is there, it does not matter. But in the variable, whatever observations you are passing, it should be case sensitive. Whenever it is in this quotation thing, it should be case sensitive. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This is nothing and is nothing but is an it is an operator thing. Okay.